Alright everyone, so for this video, I just wanted to talk about KEEPR's FOO, no? My apologies, I realized this video is a little late. I've been feeling under the weather lately, so na-delay ng konti yung schedule ko. But I did want to get it out bago ma-release yung final price, which is supposed to come today or tomorrow. Napapansin ko kasi usually, kunyari nakalagay na date is, kunyari October 28, then nare-release yung final price umaga na ng October 29. Unless I miss it, baka sa gabi lumalabas, nagpapahinga na ako so I don't see it, no? So I wanted to release it before then para lang pwede natin i-compare kung meron mga pinagkaiba after ma-release yun, kung may mga nadagdag na details, mga nagbago, para pwede natin siyang i-discuss at ma-contrast along the way. Okay? Now, normally sa mga ganito, I give a quote nila Warren Buffett or something, but this particular quote from President Jose Santa Marina piqued my interest, so I wanted to share it with you. He said, this is like an IPO because we are actually introducing a new business, one rife with huge potential. KEEPR's is poised to become the only pure-play imported spirits distribution listed company in the Philippines. So medyo bold yung claim, no? Kaya medyo na-pique yung interest ko and I just wanted to share it with you guys so we can keep it in mind while we look at yung mga ibang key details niya. Now, for now, the offer price is slated for 2 pesos to 2.5. Okay, wala pang final price. Yung target nila na makuha is 7.5 billion and the shares to be sold is up to 3 billion. Okay? Yung joint lead underwriters nila are China Bank Capital, PNB Capital, and SB Capital. So again, I always encourage when you look at mga IPOs, mga FOOs, na usisain nyo rin yung mga underwriter, see kung ano yung history nila, see kung maganda yung track record nila, kasi baka makatulong to sa pagdedesisyon nyo if this is something na gusto nyong mag-reserve or mag-subscribe into. Okay? Isa pang quote from President Jose Santa Marina. The KEEPR's Holdings Inc. is now the largest distributor of imported spirits in the Philippines, holding 74% volume market share. Okay? So again, he's saying all the right things, no? He's saying all the things na gustong marinig ng mga investor. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw maging part ng largest distributor ng imported spirits sa Pilipinas? Diba? More key details. The final price date is supposed to be October 28, 2021. As I mentioned, napansin ko usually nakalagay, kunya October 28, nare-release siya morning ng kinabukasan. The same was true with Aldi and the same was true with SGP, no? And the offer period for this will be from November 4 to November 10. So, sunod-sunod. So, we went from Aldi to SGP, tapos KEEPR. Talagang pila-pila, no? And then, the listing date is slated to be on November 19, 2021 with the new stock code, KEEPR, instead of what previously was Davin. Okay? Now, as of the October 15 disclosure na nakuha ko sa PSE Edge, wala pang link to the official prospectus. Okay? So, again, I might have missed it. If I did, I apologize. Feel free to post the link in the comment section so I can go check it out kung nalabas na nga. Okay? More key details. The 11,250,000,000 KEEPR shares under escrow are the shares subject of the swap transaction whereby the company issued the said shares to Costco Capital Inc. in exchange for the latter shares in Meritus Prime, Distributions Inc., Montosco Inc., and Premier Wine and Spirits Inc. Again, I hope wala akong na-butcher na pangalan. No? If I did, I apologize. Okay? But I hope I didn't. Okay? And then the estimated public float post-IPO is 20.94%. So, maaabot na nila yung minimum threshold and a little bit over pa. Okay? So, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? I made it brief. As I said, I'm feeling a bit under the weather and malapit na rin kasi lumabas yung final price. But I did want to get the key details out to you guys para kung may nagbago man, as I said kanina, makukumpara natin and we can weigh it apples to apples, oranges to oranges, or what have you, and see kung ano mga nagbago. Alright? So that said, guys, look forward to the next Keeper video. I'll likely release it over the weekend. Okay? Dun sa mga updated na details. And as always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!